Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is success. Congratulations. You've reached the moment, the mountain of success, that your air is going to flow to only places of prosperity because you've done the work. So congratulations for doing it. I want you to keep on moving forward, keep on flowing, get ready to meet new people, learn new things where you're going to be able to educate and teach the rest of the world. You're going to be able to let your positivity, your love be able to splash onto every person that you interact, because I need you and the world needs you. I'm glad that you're here to do your part. I grow and I thrive in the universe. You succeed. I discover the purity of my heart and the higher wisdom that guides me towards my victory. I direct my thoughts towards clarity and nurture wisdom, love, and goodness that is within you. Do you understand that you have love, goodness, and wisdom within you? That trifecta. Now that is what makes you so wise, so loving, and so attractive. And that's why you're trusted to be able to be that one, to go anywhere that you want within the world, because you make a huge difference. And you're going to help and not hurt people. Hurt people hurt people. Healed people heal people. I'm free now and I succeed in my life. So congratulations to that. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.